Now in this video, we are going to study about the division of rational numbers. Okay. So till now we have studied about the additional of rational numbers, multiplication of rational numbers, and now we are going to study about the division of rational numbers. So here it states that if a upon b and c upon d are two rational numbers where c upon d is not equal to 0, it means this fraction is not equals to 0, then a upon b divided by c upon d, then it is equals to a upon b multiplied by a d upon c. How is it? Like how we have written a upon b multiplied by d upon c. So what we have done, a upon b divided by c upon b, it means that c upon d. Clear? Then when we are taking this fraction at this place, okay, then we need to interchange the places. So a upon b sign will change because here divide was here. Then if we just interchange the places, then it will sign will be of multiplication. So a upon b multiply by d upon c. Is it clear? Next is, now what is the dividend here, what is the divisor here, and what is the quotient here? So then a upon b is divided by c upon d. Which number is divided by which number? Like a upon b is divided by c upon d. Whichever number divides by the other number. Correct? Like 3 by 4 is divided by 2 by 6. Correct? So 3 by 4 is the dividend. Similarly, a upon b is the dividend and c upon d is the divisor. Whatever result will come, that will be the quotient. Now you will say, ma'am, result is always remainder. But here, if we take an example like 9 by 16, okay, here 9 by 16 is written, then we similarly we will solve it in the form. So 9 by 16 multiply by 8 by 5. Clear? So 8 so there are 2 times. So here it will come 9 by 10. So what does it mean? It is the remainder? No, it is the quotient. Why? Because it is dividing by this time, these many times. So 2 multiplied by 5 will be 10 and 9 will be here. Remainder is like whatever is left over. It is not the leftover. It is the number of times the number is divided. Clear? So according this property, according this we can say property only. So this is the division of rational numbers. Now what we will study? Now we will study about the actual properties of division. Okay, so first property is closure property. Now you must be very well aware of the property closure property because you have studied in addition properties also, in multiplication properties also, and now it is again in the property of division also. So first property is closure property. If a upon b and c upon d are any two rational numbers such that c upon d is not equal to 0, again the divisor is not equals to 0, because we how can I say that this is divisor? Because ultimately we have to divide a by b by c by d only. So when we are dividing by some number, so that number is divisor. Okay, we have studied in introduction. So then a upon b is divided by c upon d is also a rational number. Same example as we have solved, we will do it here also. Minus 6 by 18, like these are the two rational numbers. Clear? So 3 by 2 is equals to minus 6 by 18 multiply by 2 by 3. 2 से गया 9 times, 3 से गया 2 times. So answer will be minus 2 by 9, and it is also a rational number. So whatever the property says, the example verifies it. Clear? Now next is the property of 1. Only 3 properties are there. Very easy. The next property is property of 1. For every rational number a upon b, when we divide any rational number by 1, the answer is that number only. How? If you a upon b, ठीक है, we have divided it by 1. जब कुछ नहीं होता नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में, then we put 1 only. Correct? So here a upon b multiply by 1 upon 1, then answer will be a upon b only. Correct? I think it is very easy to understand. Next is for every non-zero rational number a upon b. So here non-rational number, I have solved it here also. Like if a same number divides each other, then answer is 1. Clear? A upon b divided by a upon b is equals to a upon b, and we have solved like this. So we have discussed the properties of division also and introduction of the division of rational numbers. Clear?